Good afternoon. Gray skies out there right now. We're looking at just some cloud cover overhead and general gloom out there at the moment. We're looking at conditions that are starting off again on the cloudy side this afternoon, but we will see some better weather as we head into other parts of the week. But here we go. We're talking about some temperatures that are warm, and that's the one bright spot on our day in the Southern Valley. We're looking at temperatures into the 60s in the south. We're at 66 degrees in Fargo. It's 67 in Grand Forks, 70 in Hallock. And checking out your wind speeds, they're quite strong. These are really picking up here this afternoon. You could see some gusts into the 30s in Fargo, 31 in Gwinner, 33 over in Oaks, 37 in Sisseton. And we're looking at conditions that are going to continue to be a bit on the breezy side, or on a lot of the breezy side here. We're looking at visibility also that's good here. So the clouds have rolled into the valley, especially the Southern Valley, but we're seeing some streaming in to eastern North Dakota as well. As we expand the view to the tri-state map, you can see we're still dry, but there are some showers to our south and a larger area of rain to our southwest. So these are going to try to make their way northward here into the later afternoon. We'll see if they hold together, but the main event is farther to the south of us. And here's a look at this big storm system. On the warm side of it, of course, we've had that tornado outbreak yesterday, warnings today again, and that's continuing to advance eastward. And then out to the west side of this, on the cold side of it, they've had snow in places like Denver, several inches of snow there, in fact. So a big storm system that's going to kind of work its way to the northeast, and we'll start to see the rain with that lift in here over the next 24 hours. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. We're going to see those clouds continue to hang around the Southern Valley this afternoon. Temperatures that are into the 60s here, and high of 68 in Fargo. And we're going to eventually see those showers try to advance in. You can see a couple of them down into the far southern counties at about 9 o'clock tonight, and they continue to get more organized, and overall that larger area of moisture moves in for later tonight. Around midnight, we're watching that approach Fargo. It could move in sooner than that, keep in mind. And then into tomorrow morning, we're looking at widespread areas of rain to start off the day. Here's a look at your planner for the day tomorrow. Some soggy weather, some conditions that are going to be unpleasant with that wind still steady in the 20s out of the east, gusting into the 30s. And gradually, little by little, this will end, but it's going to be an all-day event of some scattered showers affecting us here for the day tomorrow. So similar to what we were dealing with on Saturday. So heading into the evening hours, you can see the rain not as widespread, but it's still out there, still affecting us here in the valley at that point. By the time we get into the 10 o'clock hour tomorrow night, we will be quieting things down. So here's a look at our rainfall potential. We've got two events coming up here, the one that we just talked about, and then another one that moves in Thursday night and into Friday evening. And totals could reach that 1 to 2 inch range for some. And in fact, there might be a couple of pockets that get more than 2 inches. The best likelihood for that will be down in the Southern Valley. Your 7-day planner, we're looking at some, again, off and on chances for rain during the work week. This weekend right now for the holiday weekend, it's not too bad. We've got some temperatures into the low 70s, some upper 60s and low 70s for Saturday and Sunday, with a slight chance for a little rain and thunder, especially on Sunday. Memorial Day will be cooler, but it still looks like a pretty decent day for us coming up. So all in all, not too bad. But yeah, we're about to enter another rainy period here in the forecast.
All right. Thank you, Lisa. Straight ahead.